Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the update will install reliably. First, make sure your iPhone X is on charger or at 50% battery or higher. This prevents shutdowns mid-update. Then confirm you have 5% 10% free space, usually 2-4 gigabytes for big upgrades. Once done, back up to iCloud or use Finder or iTunes on your computer. You want a restore point in case anything goes wrong. Now open Settings and tap General to continue the process immediately. You now fetch and begin installing the update. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update to see the available iOS version and release notes. This explains what changes and why they matter. Tap Download and Install, accept the terms, and enter your passcode when asked. While the package downloads and the installer prepares, keep your iPhone X on Wi-Fi and plugged in. Interruptions increase risk of errors. Once the device restarts to complete installation, wait through the progress bar until it returns to the lock screen. You finish by completing the on-screen setup and verifying success. After reboot, follow prompts to sign in and enable any new features. This finalizes system changes and sync settings. Then check Settings, General, about to confirm the new iOS version is installed. If the update fails or the device is stuck, connect to a computer and retry, or use recovery mode to restore. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi, adequate free storage, and your backup ready before attempting a repeat install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.